students of Oak. So this is your new science class, Ashmita. I can see many of my students. Rudra Aditya is there, and Siddharth Adhikari. Can I see you, Siddharth? Can I see you, Siddharth? Very nice. So nice. Okay, very good. Okay, come on. Now, let us start our class. All of you get ready with your science book. That is your Our Nature book. Everyone, take your pencil, eraser, page number 38. Today we are going to complete our practice time of this chapter. Okay, so it's the time to do practice time. Now I'm going to write the answers on the board and you are going to execute them in your book. Okay, so page number 38. It's the practice time in your book. Question number A. It's question number A. Take the correct answer. Where do you go to buy things? So here some questions have been given, multiple choice questions. 3 options have been provided. So let us select the correct one. Where do you go to buy things? So the first one, A is school, B hospital, and C market. So let us find out. Okay, so Shyama Prabhu has already given me the answer. Where do we go to buy things? So many of the students have given the answer, and question A1, that is the option 6. It's market. It's market. Okay, next comes question number 2. We can see our money safe. We can keep our money safe in a dash: bank, school, or restaurant. So again, Ashmita has given, Anurag has given the first answer. Then after Ashmita, or 3, very good. So the second question and the correct option is A. Here comes bank. Bank is the correct place to keep our money safe, as you suggested me on that day, right? So let's go for the third one. And third one is, we go to a post office to send letters, vegetables, meal. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Anurag. Very good, Atri, Tathagato, Siddhartho, Rudra Aditya, Shrestha. Very nice. So it's again option A, letters. So we are writing letters. Okay, you will take the correct answer and you will write the correct answer in the blank. All of you, you will take the correct answer as well as you will write the correct answer in the blank. Next comes number 4. We go to a dash when we are sick. So here comes police station, hospital, and school. So I got many answers. Already I have received answers, and the first one to give me the correct answer was Ashmita. Very nice. Siddhartho, then after Ashmita Bhavok and Prithviraj and rest of the students. Very good. And it's option B. Here comes, we go to a hospital when we are sick. So we go to a hospital. So the first answer is market. Everyone please write down. First answer is market. Second answer is bank. Third answer is letter. And fourth answer is hospital. Hospital. Okay. Now let's go for the next one, that is question number B. I hope everyone has completed. All of you have completed. Shall I wrap the board? Shall I wrap the board? Come on. Yes or no? Come on, come on. Write down. Siddhartha, write down. Rudraditya, write down. Shamanta, please take out your science book, page number 38, and please write down. This is the answer of question A. So I hope everyone has completed. Okay. Okay, so let's go for question number B. Question number B, you can see there is a matching and we have 3 pictures on our right and 3 pictures on our left. Here comes 3 pictures and here comes 6 names, that is first of all hospital, then after market, bus stand, post office, park, fire station. Fire station. So here comes blank, okay. So here is the part and we can see there are some words and 6 pictures around us. Now with the help of these pictures we have to join the words. So let us start. First of all, first picture is of market. So we will join it with market. Everyone, next second picture over here comes for post office. So here we will match it with post office. Next, the third image is of bus stand. So let us join this with bus stand. Next comes last 3 images and here we can see the first one is fire station. So let us match it with fire station. Next, children are playing in a park. So here comes children are playing in a park. And the last one, what you can say? It's a, which one left out? It's a hospital where people are getting treatment. Okay, it's the image of a hospital. So here are the 6 images. Here are the names of the places in our neighborhood and we have matched the images with the names. Okay? Okay. So this was question number B. Now students, we will go for question number C. So all my students along with me has given lots of answers. Very nice students. So everyone has completed this matching? Yes or no? Everyone has completed this matching? If you have completed, I have left the board for all of you to just note it down properly. Okay, many of them has given the response. Yes ma'am, we have completed. Very good, very good. So let us go for question number C. Okay. So here comes question number C. Everyone completed now? Okay. Still Atri is writing something. Atri, Shrestha, you have completed? Come on, come on. They are writing something. Okay. Okay, Anurag has completed. Atri is still typing something. Shrestha, okay. What is this, Shrestha? I didn't get it. Shrestha, what has been written wrong? Yes. Okay. 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 Very nice. What is wrong over here? Can anyone tell me what is wrong over here? Oh, you have gone for question number C, but still students, I have not started question number C. So wait. Wait for your friends so that each and every friend can complete the task, okay? Come on. Now we will go for question number C. And I am going to read the sentence. Mark the sentences that are right and are wrong. We go to market for playing. So here if the sentence is correct, you will give a tick mark, and if the sentence is wrong, you will cross them. So we go to market for playing. Yes, it's a wrong statement. Already many of my students have given the statement wrong. So we are one box has been provided and we are going to put yes. Some of them are telling true and false. Okay. So you are going to tick and cross. Okay, not W and R. So if the statement is wrong, we will put cross, and if the statement is correct, we will put tick. Fire station helps us to put out fire. So fire station helps us to put out fire. In the chat box you can write true and false. Okay, right or wrong, true and false. Yes, very good Shamantak, very nice. So it's tick. Number 2 is tick. Very good. Shanstita has given a tick. Moyuk Maji has said it's true. Very good. You can use T and F. You can use T and F for these sentences. If they are wrong, you will use false. If they are correct, you will use true for the chat box. Okay. Next comes, we go to a bank for a meal. We go to a bank for a meal. That is number 3. Who is going to give? Ashmita has given. Okay. Rest of all the students have given. Yes. Very good. So number 3, it is going to be cross. Okay. We go to a bank for a meal. So we don't go to bank for a meal. We go to bank to keep our money safely. Now let's go for number 4. And number 4 is, we go to a park for playing and jogging. We go to a park for playing and jogging. So number 4, each and everyone is telling it's true, it's tick. Very good. So all my students have given the statement true. So it is tick. Now number 5. We go to railway station to travel by train. So where do we go to railway station to travel? By train or by bus? Yes, everyone has given the answer true. Yes, we go to railway station to travel by train. Okay. So number 5, here comes tick. Okay. Now students, there is one activity color the outline picture of a fire engine. So one picture has been given of a fire engine and your activity will be to color them. Okay, to color it very nicely. As you know that fire engines are of red and yellow combination colors. So color it. Next day I will see that whether you have colored it properly or not. Okay, till this I will conclude my class over here, and you take care of yourself, be safe, and always properly sanitize your hand before going out. Take a mask. Okay, bye bye.